Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 1, Lesson 33 and 34. In this lesson we're talking about being able to subtract 0, 1, and all using pictures. So, looking at this right here, we have a word problem or a math story, and we're going to do a number sentence to go with it. So I'm going to read the word problem 3 times. It says there are 7 kids waiting to get on the bus. The bus arrives and all the kids get on the bus. How many kids are left waiting for the bus? It says, how do you know? We're going to read it again. There are 7 kids waiting on the bus. The bus arrives and all of the kids get on the bus. How many kids are left waiting for the bus? How did you know? We're going to read it again. There are 7 kids waiting to get on the bus. The bus arrives and all of the kids get on the bus. How many kids are left waiting for the bus? How did you know? Alright, so now we know we're going to do cubes, which means we're going to circle our important numbers, which we only have 1. Box in important words, which is kids and all. And we're going to underline our question, which we have 2, but this other question, we're going to underline it as well. Alright, and we boxed in those important words. So we know there's 7 kids on the bus. There's 7 kids waiting for the bus, So we know that 7 is our whole. Now, since we're doing a subtraction sentence, we know that our whole is in front of the minus sign. And then our parts are after. So our whole is 7. Now the bus arrives, so the bus gets there, and all of those kids get on the bus. Well, how many kids get on the bus? All of them, which means all 7 kids get on the bus. So it's 7 minus 7, because there were 7 kids waiting to get on the bus. All 7 get on the bus. Now how many are left? Well, if you have 7 and you take away 7, that means there's 0 left. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.